In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set or change the document background color in Google Docs. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to bring up your Google Docs, okay? So please open the document that you would like to change the background color with. Okay, I have here an example. Okay, and once you have opened the document that you would like to change the color or the background color, please navigate to the upper left side of the screen, you can see there, File, beside Edit. Click on it, and this kind of window would show up, which contains a list of the options. Please locate with Page Setup, which is next to Language. So please click on Page Setup, and eventually you can get this small window. So from here, please proceed first with Apply To, and select on set the whole document. Okay? Once you have set the whole document, okay, so please proceed with the orientation where you can choose for portrait if you would like to set for portrait, or you can choose for landscape. Okay, so whatever you think that would fit or that is best for your document, just choose any of the orientation that is best for your document. Okay, so from here, please choose the paper size. If you can go with letter, tabloid, legal, statement, A4, if you would like to, just select any of here, okay? And in order to change the page color or to set the document color in Google Docs, which is the main goal or the target of this video, please proceed to this option where you can see page color. Click on this down arrow key, and then that eventually it will show you a bunch of colors here, okay? So you can select for dull yellow, and the moment you've clicked on OK, it would be changed here as dull yellow. The background color would be set into dull yellow. So all you need to do is you need to navigate for File, go with Page Setup, and then click on this down arrow key under the page color and select any of the colors that you would like to set here as your background color. Okay? So whatever you think that is suiting to your eyes or whatever you think that is good to the document, you can choose the one. Okay. So from here, you can also customize the color by clicking on this add icon or plus icon. And in that way, you would be able to customize the color where you can set any of the color that you want to go in. So if you would like to go with pale green, you can choose here. Okay, anyway, you have something to refer here under the name on what color you have chosen on. So if you go with magenta, or pale red, just select any of this, okay, and then scroll down and click on saved and click on OK, and in that way it would be set here in your background color in Google Docs. Okay, so once you're good, you can now save the document. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.